You'll love this certified 2007 Acura RL. This is a car you'll want to take home. With 49,559 miles, it features automatic transmission and an exterior color of Nighthawk Black Pearl. Call us and be the first to open the car door today.